Welcome to raw timber. No safety nets, no corporate polish. Just spinning blades, hydraulic rams, and physics doing what physics does best. If it works, it earns respect. If it fails, it teaches a lesson. Who says you need a fortune to split wood like a pro? This DIY firewood processor proves otherwise. Just a winch, a handful of bolts, and raw ingenuity, built from grit, not gold. It tears through logs with smooth, relentless force. Smart design, low cost, pure efficiency in motion. Powered by a tractor's steady torque, a circular saw like this turns raw logs into clean, controlled cuts. The blade bites hard, the frame holds steady, and even stubborn hardwood doesn't stand a chance. Strength, speed, reliability, that's what matters out here. The Hockey-Pilkey 2X Auto takes it further. A Husqvarna-powered saw cuts fast and true. The hydraulic splitter follows without hesitation, and conveyors keep everything flowing. One operator, one button, endless stacks of firewood, no wasted motion. Compact machines like the FM6DD prove that size doesn't define output. Twin reversible blades, lightweight build, serious performance. Garden waste disappears fast, and maintenance stays simple. The Dipperfox SC400 shows another philosophy: high torque, low speed, no frantic spinning, just pure rotational force grinding stumps down methodically. The smart gearbox transfers power efficiently, turning a compact excavator into a precision tool. Homemade splitters tell a different story. What starts as raw mechanics becomes refined function. Every weld, every lever, every brace serves a purpose. Less strain, more output. Innovation doesn't always come from factories. Sometimes it starts in a backyard. Custom-built processors with massive circular blades and integrated splitters turn brute work into coordinated rhythm. Saw, split, convey, repeat. Power and harmony in sync. A live deck, a repurposed hay conveyor, a split-fire splitter, industrial creativity at its best. Logs move like clockwork. Timber in, clean firewood out, zero wasted motion. Combine saw and splitter into one unit and productivity jumps. But with force like that, safety isn't optional. Training, gloves, protection. Respect the pressure, respect the blade. The Clue KSG-1X, paired with smooth single-pump hydraulics, is built for tight job sites. Dual blades reduce downtime. Compact excavators gain serious stump grinding ability without oversized equipment. An 11-horsepower lawnmower engine powering a homemade splitter? Why not? Refined components, clean strokes, reliable performance, craftsmanship over cosmetics. The Zuber log splitter keeps it simple. A conical screw, steady drive, no hydraulics, pure mechanical precision. Logs surrender fast when torque bites deep. The GT10 delivers up to 12 tons of splitting force, smooth ram travel, controlled power, built for people who measure performance in finished stacks, not noise. A backhoe fitted with a hydraulic splitter turns brute strength into engineered sections. Each stroke deliberate, each split controlled. Timber transformed cleanly. Five years in, a mechanical splitter still running strong proves one thing: durability beats hype. Solid engineering, steady oiling, no drama. Upgrading with a reinforced brace and compact hydraulic cylinder spreads pressure evenly and protects the frame. Small design tweaks, massive longevity gains. A Kubota B1220 driving a cone splitter blends old-school toughness with modern control. The steady PTO torque pushes deep, slicing logs clean without wasted effort. Twelve-ton hydraulic systems may not look glamorous, but oil pressure and leverage never lie. Welds don't need to be pretty, they need to hold. Bold circular saw designs demand matching power. Steel frames and oversized blades can handle hardwood, but the motor has to keep up. Balance defines performance. Eastern-made splitters paired with box wedges turn massive logs into graceful, controlled splits. Brute force refined through geometry. Redesigned crossblades increase splitting speed dramatically, even through frozen timber. Tough build, smart tuning, smooth, unstoppable output. A 220-volt DIY splitter, powered by a 3 kilowatts motor and 132 gearbox reduction, shows what torque multiplication really means. Add carefully sized pulleys, and you get compact size with serious force. Small hydraulic splitters prove that efficiency is design, not dimensions. Frozen hardwood cracks clean under consistent pressure. Chainsaw mills built thoughtfully can rival expensive setups. Custom bars, balanced geometry, practical engineering over flashy upgrades. Then there are the wild builds flywheels storing kinetic energy, logs flying apart with explosive precision, chaotic at first glance, but controlled by timing and mass. Innovation doesn't whisper, it roars. Portable bandsaw mills like the Checkmate slice massive logs into smooth planks with surgical accuracy. Compact, powerful, built for makers who care about clean cuts and real output.